Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Aidil, and today I'm going to discuss about digital tools to facilitate change. So, first of all, what is the use of digital tools in change? So, the use of digital tools to facilitate change in an organization has become increasingly active in today's very fast-paced business environment. These tools offer a range of benefits from streamlining process and enhancing collaboration to improving decision making and driving innovation. However, many companies still fear digitalization due to a lack of internal resources or prioritization of expenses. These digital tools should not be seen as an expense but rather a long-term investment. So, what are the digital tools commonly used? The first being data analytic tools. Organization can use data analytic tools to gather and analyze employees' history, employees' feedback, and preferences. By doing this, the company can save more time in finding out the issue or the problems within the company, as all of their complaints or feedbacks are gathered into a single channel. In doing this, the company can save time and money in processing such data. So the third one being the process automation tools. So process automation tools are tools that can streamline various service processes. So they reduce manual effort and errors. For example, an organization can automate the appointment of their staff, the scheduling, their order processing, and returns management, ensuring a faster and more accurate service delivery. This automation not only saves time but also improves overall efficiency, leading to a smoother customer interactions as well as reducing the weight on the employees themselves. So, and the final digital tools that are commonly used are collaboration and communication tools. So to enhance internal communication and collaboration, the company can adopt digital collaboration tools such as project management platform, instant messaging apps, and video conferencing software. So what these tools are used for? These tools are used to enable teams to share information, collaborate on issues, and coordinate efforts in real time, leading to faster problem resolution and improved service quality. So, when you have all of these tools in your possession, how do you successfully implement your tools inside your organization? So, one of the ways that you can successfully implement digital initiative is to get your leaders to be able to proactively transform business models and strategies. So, an example in this is seen in the retail industry, where many brick and mortar stores have faced declining sales due to the rise of e-commerce platforms such as Lazada and Shopee. However, successful companies such as Walmart have used digital tools such as online ordering and in-store pickup to adapt to the changing landscape and remain competitive. Another company that has started to go into digital initiative is Decathlon, where there used to be a brick and mortar store, but now their online sales on Shopee and on their own website have suddenly surpassed their sales in store. Using their website, using their technology, and using a great customer service system, they can ensure that customer retention is managed and they can release the load on their employees themselves. So a great real life example of involving digital tools in order to address change in the company is for a company called Aktia. They are a Finnish-based banking system in Finland. So the challenge within the Aktia themselves, because Aktia is a banking industry, and a banking industry is a very traditional with a lot of hierarchies organization. So their challenge is that they want to develop their corporate culture, but they needed a solution that could create an openness and a sense of community in a very traditional industry. So what are the solutions that Aktia have achieved? So they involve a group of rising talents, line managers, and senior management to observe Aktia current culture and the vision for its future. Using the HowSpace platform, which is the digital tools that they are currently used for their company, combined with a service design method, they quickly grasp the big picture together and in a very fast time. So, what are the results that they get from using this digital platform and implement it in their organization? So they can get an interactive and inspiring experience. So instead of the fatigue of endless video meetings that honestly all of us has been experiencing, culture topics were discussed over House Space, the digital platform, in a big virtual event. So it's kind of like a town hall meeting, but instead of endless meetings, they just use one big town hall meeting so that they can gather people quickly, they can discuss their ideas, and they can move on to the decision making in a very short amount of period. And then the second one is more equality in the process. Because of House Space are using as an AI platform, it makes possible to involve a lot of people with real-time dialogue and summarize the discussion then and there. So they do not use to take to wait for the minute of the meeting to come out. So this is a possibility for leaders to hear what people in their organization are saying and add a new skill. When in the past, what they use forms and everything just to take the discussion, to take the opinions from their employees, and they need to take a long time to go through the recommendation and everything. But using this AI platform, they can summarize everything in a very short period of time, and honestly, they can take their decision making right then and there. In conclusion, the use of digital tools can facilitate change in an organization by improving communication, increasing efficiency, and enhancing the employee experience. But leaders must be willing to proactively transform business models and strategies to successfully implement digital initiatives and remain competitive in today's fast-changing business environment. Thank you.